Regent Power specializes in turnkey contract manufacturing of LED boards from final board design to final populated product.
We utilize state-of-the-art and robust production machinery, which includes pick-and-place machines, solder jet printers, vapor phase ovens, which are used in mil-spec and military manufacturing.
We manufacture a range of products, from standard prototype applications to complex design and manufacturing.
We cater to a wide range of industries, which include general lighting, outdoor and street lighting, office lighting, shop front lighting, as well as medical and industrial lighting applications. Regent Power works closely with clients throughout the design phase through to the production phase, including IES file generation, ensuring precise photometric data critical to lighting professionals.
In addition to manufacturing LED boards, we also specialize in the contract manufacturing of general surface mount and through-hole boards for a variety of industries and applications.
Regent Power's mission is to expand our manufacturing capabilities through client-focused and sustainable continued innovation that enhances the African lighting industry.